What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Right now I'm about to go for another, easy run, 5 km, and then go enjoy a cup of coffee. So I just had some Burmese tea in the morning, had my reading session. Of 10 pages and then play with my cat and sushi so cute. Sushi, say hi. Sleep. Sushi. Now, going to run. The weather seems pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring. So yeah, so that my earphone won't spoil. Anyway, I've been running with these for the majority of the training for the past 1.5, 2 months. 1 month, 1.5. And yeah, I think it's not the best idea, especially I figured it out after an 18 km run. I think I was using a Nike, but it's also not a running shoe, and it hurts my knees especially. So I just bought something for the training, so I'm excited for that. I think 2-3 more days for it to come, but I don't know, I like to hike with these. I like to run with Converse. I don't know why, but I don't think it's the best idea to be running with Converse. So yeah, I gotta change. But I've went and moved at least 10 km in 10 km run with these Converse, and it's fine. Yeah, so but I don't think it'll be fine for a 19 km or 20 km. So gotta change my gear, upgrade my gear. Oh, those rain clouds, they don't look so good. This is one of the bad behaviors that I have. I think stubbornness, not so good. I know that it will not be good to be running in these, but it feels comfortable for me, and I know that it's not right, but I refuse to change until things get worse. So yeah, hopefully in the long run I can remove or get rid of this stubbornness and be better. Alright, going into my Strava to start tracking. So I know that Strava not very accurate compared to Nike Run Club. Yeah, with the one that June is using. But I could easily swap the app, but yeah, I'm stubborn and I'm gonna stick to Strava, even though the recording have a little bit of started a little bit of off tuning. So but yeah, this is me. Wow, my thighs. So after the 18 km the other day, I rested for a day and I'm going for a run again. My thigh definitely haven't recovered yet. They are aching. but yeah, I'm supposed to cover up to 100 km to 150 km per month, and I'm only down to like 50, so I got a lot more miles to cover, a lot more kms to cover. So yeah, this is gonna be a easy pace, slow run, easy run, up and down, and then yeah, this is how it's gonna be like. Usually I think I will be a lot faster than this if I'm like going 10 regularly or like 5 regularly, but after the 18 km, oof, damn. Alright, let's go. Bye. Oh no, it just started raining. God. So 1 km in, I'm feeling a lot better. I don't feel the pain anymore, and I can go on. Ooh, feels good. It was heavy rain just now. Now it's just drizzling, so yeah, good to continue this 5 km run. Alright, let's go. Andando, te ves subir cansándola. Don't even mention back on it on me. Back. You guys will be amazed if you know what I'm listening to when I run. Usually people like fast-paced music, rap music, or like rock, but I listen to like old and slow Burmese music, which is very weird, I know, but I don't know, I like to sing in my mind. And these songs, the old songs, they're really good. He's just chilling. Oh, bye-bye. Did I scare you off? All of a sudden, it's getting really, really hot. What? Done. Wow. I zoned out at the last km and I almost stepped onto a monitor laser and it almost beat me. Damn. Yeah. All of a sudden the sun's come up and it gets really, really hot and my brain just switched off. Wow, that would have been a great story, a great vlog. No, not great, but you know, an interesting one. Almost. The best part is iced coffee. Here we go. Hot, man. There you go. Thank you. So, honestly speaking, I think I'm getting addicted to running and coffee, of course. Yeah, this morning I woke up and usually I will take my time to have a cup of coffee, have some seeds here and there, and sometimes read or sometimes edit. But this morning, I just want to get out there and run. So, yeah, it's a new addition to my life. This is my current physique right now. A lot of people say I look skinny. Maybe I do. But yeah, I want to put on a little muscle and yeah, run longer. That'll be the goal. She hates it when I carry her. So cute, so cute. Cute. Alright, so I forgot to end off this vlog. Anyway, the plan is to run 100 km to 150 km every month. And yeah, this is probably the last time that you'll be seeing me in Singapore. For the next a week or up to 10 days, I'll be going to Bangkok to shoot some documentary, some exciting stuff. I'm up for the new challenge. So yeah, I'll be taking my time to shoot some documentaries in Bangkok. So yeah, it's exciting. And yeah, it's gonna be a new thing for me after a while. I haven't traveled out for a while, so yeah, it'll be fun. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.